How to teach climate change. One of the problems teachers and educators often come across is how to make climate change relevant to students' lives, as it's not always obvious unless they've been personally affected by climate change. I believe the best method is to introduce them to the kind of visualizations that show it happening in real time. To start off our list of useful climate change resources, go to NASA's Worldview website. This allows them to see almost real-time images taken from a vast array of NASA satellites for free. They can add data layers of everything from air pollution to fires to flooding. You can find a link to the instruction video on how to use the Worldview website in the information section below, plus a link to the NASA Worldview website. I suggest looking for a news report of a climate-related disaster in the last few years, and then pick the layer and date that matches that disaster event. To give you an example, here are the daily satellite images of a huge forest fire in Siberia that occurred in 2021. The area that burned was more than 10 times the size of London. You can also animate a period of time to see how it changed. The students can even check if it was raining on the day and location when they were born. The website has huge potential, and everyone from primary students up to university professors can easily use it. Another website to use is the Global Climate Dashboard, again linked to in the information section below. A third one to look at is from the European Space Agency. It's called Climate from Space. Another good resource to try is called En-ROADS. In this resource, you can adjust different factors to see what effect they have on climate change, including different climate change solutions. And lastly, one that looks at billion-dollar weather and climate disasters from NOAA. This is also linked to in the section below this video. With this last website, you can look at data from the USA, specifically looking at the costs of disasters related to climate. I've also set up a Padlet. Padlet is a way to access resources and download worksheets easily for teachers. The link is below this video as well. In part 3 of this series, we'll look at solutions to climate change, possibly the part the students are most interested in and also the teachers.